In several cases, the court has explained that the justification for the existence of Article 448 of the Civil Code is to prevent the impracticability of creating a state of forced co-ownership. In accord with the principle of accession, the landowner cannot refuse to exercise either option and compel instead the owner of the building to remove it from the land. In the case at bar, however, the land belongs to a condominium corporation wherein the builder, as a unit owner, is already in a co-ownership with other unit owners as members or stockholders of the condominium corporation, whose legal relationship is governed by a special law, the Condominium Act. Articles 448 and 546 of the Civil Code and builders in good faith are therefore inapplicable in cases covered by the Condominium Act where the owner of the land and the builder are already bound by specific legislation on the subject property and by contract. In accordance, therefore, with the Master Deed, the bylaws of Legazpi Towers, and the Condominium Act, Legazpi Towers is correct that it has the right to demolish Concession 4 at the expense of Lehman. Indeed, the application of Article 448 to the present situation is highly iniquitous in that an owner, also found to be in good faith, will be forced to either appropriate the illegal structure and impliedly be burdened with the cost of its demolition, or to allow the continuance of such an illegal structure that violates the law and the master deed and threatens the structural integrity of the condominium building upon the payment of rent. The court cannot countenance such an unjust result from an erroneous application of law and jurisprudence. Therefore, the petition is hereby denied for lack of merit. The decision and resolution of the Court of Appeals are reversed and set aside. La Vista Management System Incorporated is ordered to remove Concession 4 at its own expense.
I concur.
I concur. I concur.